Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use the browser or Google Play Store in Xiaomi Redmi 11 Pro. And to do this, first let's try to reach any website or download something from Google Play Store. Here we have Google Chrome. And if we refresh an opened page or try to reach a new page, we'll get this error. The same as with Google Play Store. So if we try to install this game, for example, there's again the problem. And to fix both of the issues, we'll need to open the settings, locate additional settings, and select date and time. Now make sure to enable set time automatically, and if you go back to your browser or Google Play Store and reload the page, it should work fine. Like this. And let's try Google Play Store as well. Try again. And then now it works, but the game, let's see if it downloads. Yep, it does. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.